everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be doing my BoxyCharm unboxing video for February of 2022. We're gonna get right into this thing. I did open the bottom so that it would be more easier access. So the theme this month is BoxyCharm Be My Glam-itine. Right there, and then of course the back has all the information of the products. So the first thing that's in the box is this thing right here, and this is Yinsa, I think that's how you say that, or Yinsa, and it is a color plus face tone up primer, essential glow. So what exactly is this? So that is what it looks like. Let me see. I hate opening things. Ooh, so it is a primer. It moisturizes and preps skin for makeup, blurs imperfections and pores, provides bright skin tone, powered by 8 super block essences. So that is what it looks like. So it does have a slight tint, but it does sheer out into nothing. It feels super, super like rich and luxurious. And this retails for Yinsa Tone Up Primer for $35. So yes, I definitely will be trying it out. It does not have a smell, which is good to know. Okay, so that was the first thing that was in the box. The second thing is, let's just grab this right here. I have like a light that keeps getting in my eye from where the sun's positioned. It is Bali Balm. It's kind of a tongue twister, Bali Balm. And it is a pineapple lip scrub, which sounds delightful. Ew. I love the packaging. I see some Monsteras up in there. I'm definitely going to use this. Look at the packaging. I love plants. It smells like pineapple. And this is like a nice one. So it's like a lip gloss, kind of like a lip balm, but it is gritty. And the grits aren't too bad. Like the last one that I received in a BoxyCharm, it was like straight up, like big old chunks of sugar, and it was too much for my lips. So I only used it like twice. So I'm happy to have this. And this retails for $23. So that's not bad. So once I run out of this, if I really, really do like it, I can repurchase that. That is awesome. I adore the packaging. I don't know why I keep putting it back in here, because I'm going to use all this stuff. I keep putting it back inside the boxes. I always do that. Okay, so the next thing that's in the box is this thing right here. And this is a vitamin C eye cream. Okay, so this is a vitamin C bright eye cream. And it is by Sunday Skin, which I do love this brand. I actually have some lotion from them, from face lotion, so I'll probably wait to open this, like to use this when I'm using that. It doesn't have a smell, although it shows to be like lemony. Let me see. Yeah, it doesn't have a smell, and that's what it looks like. It's not like completely full, but eye creams, you use so little, this thing will last months. Like, I cannot get through my skincare stuff. I've actually given a lot of stuff away just because I can't use it all. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to keep this one in the box because I'm not going to use it anytime soon. And this retails for $32, so that is awesome. I already got a lot of really good items, and so far most of it's all skincare because this is like a moisturizer and primer all in one, so pretty good so far. We have this right here, which is a loose setting powder by OPV, OPV, I don't even know. I murder everything that I say, so it is what it is. And this retails for $22, so that's not bad for setting powder. Something that I could afford if I ran out. So I will be using this, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. Okay. Ooh, I love the rose gold packaging that we've been having here lately. So the container itself looks like the Laura Mercier powder, which is what I use all the time. So that's what it looks like. It looks like the Laura Mercier. I won't be able to tell unless I use it, but I have like 2 of the Laura Mercier powders actually open right now. So I'll have to wait till I'm done. So this is what I'm saying. The packaging itself looks really similar to this. Yeah. It looks really similar. This is the Laura Mercier. And this is the Off Beauty London one. So super pretty. I do like the packaging to this one better. I just like the rose gold. But it is going to, like, you can already see like smudge prints all over it. And when you're dealing with makeup, it does get kind of smudgy. So I cannot, I like put my Laura Mercier away. So I will definitely use this. I want to wait till I get through using the powder that I'm using though, before I open it, just because I don't want it to go bad. So that's really nice and cool to have. Yes, and like I said, this retails for $22, so not bad priced. It's around the same as that. Well, actually, that's a lot more. That's probably like double what that was. Okay, so I do have one more thing that's in the box, and it is right here. And it is a 4-in-1 makeup brush. Let's go ahead and open it up. It is vegan, latex-free, and cruelty-free, which I do appreciate. And this retails for... Is it Alliop? Retails for $28. This is really hard for me to open. Like, I'm not opening it very well. Okay. Finally got it open. It says $10 on us. Okay. Ooh. So it says it is a 4-in-1 brush. Okay, that's pretty cool. This is a really good, like, on-the-go thing. So it does have, like, a beauty blending sponge right there that you would just blend your foundation with. This looks like it is a smudge eyeshadow brush, which is good for all over the lid. You got your powder or contour brush. You can use this for powder or contour, which is super nice. And then it has your eyebrow brush. So this is everything that you would basically need. You can do your brows with that powder, blush, bronzer, whatever you need, your foundation, and then you can do a whole eye look with that because it is fluffy. You can work that in the crease or do it all over shadow. So this is really nice. This is a really good on-the-go brush. And like I said, it retails for $35. Which is kind of expensive for one brush, but because it is 4-in-1 and convenient, I can see people spending that on this. I personally wouldn't, because I can get like a full brush set for that price, and I don't care about taking like a ton of makeup with me when I do travel. So yeah, really cool. Okay, let's go ahead and tally up all of this to find out what the total value of my box and my variation was. So the total value of my variation that I received was $140, and I spent like $28 on the box. So that is a really, really good deal. I got a lot of really good items. I think the thing that I'm most excited about is the lip balm. lip balm, just because I love the packaging and it's something that I'll actually use. The second thing is probably the powder. I don't know, I like the eye cream too. So these would be my top 3. I do like this, but I don't always wear primers, but I will probably be wearing this because it's a moisturizer and a primer all in one. My least favorite thing is this, but I think a lot of people are going to like this because it is just easy to throw in your purse on the go. That's probably what I'll do with this. I'll just put it in my purse just in case I want to take an eyeshadow or like a powder or a blush or something just to touch up my makeup throughout the day. I'm not a person that really touches up my makeup. It falls off my face and I'm good with it. I really don't care. But I can see some people really, really liking this. But I will put this in my purse. So yeah, let me see if it says what variation I got. It says, for the variation that I got, it says C2202021/BA. So that's what it says at the bottom. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow. I just hit over 1,000 subscribers, which I'm super, super excited about. So please support my channel and give that subscribe button a hit because it helps me out and I'm trying to grow. And thank you guys, everyone that has subscribed to my channel. You don't know how much it means to me. It means a lot to me and I'm super excited about this whole experience. I'm a mommy of 4, stay-at-home mommy of 4, so this, I want to potentially be my job, like a full-time job for me one day, so help support my dream. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.